the Royal Heritage Festival. According to her, it's all about the money. Makhadzi stated on social media, "I am not going to Royal Heritage. They say they don't have a budget." She wanted to set the record straight so her fans wouldn't think she's getting too big for her boots. According to Zamoja, Makhadzi turned down an offer of 150,000 Rand. A source told the publication, if she feels she cannot accept the 150K they offered her, then they need to respect that. Interestingly, the Royal Heritage Festival organizers have been booking Makhadzi since she was relatively unknown. They feel they've contributed significantly to her growth and consider her part of the royal family. But they also respect her decision not to accept the offer, and they haven't badmouthed her for hosting an event on the same day. In the end, the organizers decided not to comment on the matter further. So, what does this mean for Makhadzi fans? If you were looking forward to seeing her at the Royal Heritage